In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a small number above text in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to add a citation number, a footnote marker, or any small number that appears slightly above a line of text, what you are looking for is called superscript. Google Docs makes this very easy. And in this video, I'll walk you through two simple ways to do it so you can use whichever method feels faster and more convenient. First, go into your Google Docs document and type the number you want to place above the text. This works best when the number is already next to the word or sentence where you want it to appear. Once the number is typed, use your cursor to highlight just that number. Be careful to select only the character you want to change, because anything highlighted will be formatted the same way. With the number selected, move to the top menu bar and click Format. This menu gives you access to several text styling options beyond the standard toolbar. After clicking Format, hover over Text in the drop-down menu. A side menu will appear with more text formatting choices. From there, click Superscript. As soon as you do that, the selected number will become smaller and move slightly above the normal text line. That's the menu-based method, and it's a great option if you want to see exactly where the setting is located in Google Docs. T here is also a quicker keyboard shortcut method, which can save time if you use superscript often. Start the same way by typing your number and then highlighting it. Once it's selected, press Ctrl and the period key at the same time if you are using Windows, or Command and the period key if you are on a Mac. Google Docs will instantly apply superscript to the highlighted number. This shortcut is especially useful when you are editing a document quickly and don't want to open the menu every time. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work right away, double-check that the number is still highlighted before pressing the keys. Both methods do the exact same thing, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. If needed, you can also use the same action again to turn superscript off for selected text, and that's how to put a small number above text in Google Docs.